Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong June. Okay, so let's see ano bang meron. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, they're all available. Yeah, yung ating protection from evil eye, we have ring. So yung ring natin is adjustable. Okay, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So nandito sila. Okay, so ito naman yung ating para sa love and money. Okay, kasi meron siyang citrine. Nalilimutan kong sabihin, yeah, merong citrine itong ating love bracelet. Yung citrine po is money magnet. So it's like 2-in-1 bracelet. Okay, money and love. Okay, so ito yon yung ating love bracelet. Kasi masyado lang ako nakafocus sa love dito. Anyway, so yes, meron din tayo nung granter, yung taga pag-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. And yung ating cord cut, yung pang-alis, M-A-L-A-S. Ha, pang-alis, M-A-L-A-S. Ayokong sabihin yung word na yon kasi. So, yeah. So again, kung may mga tanong, just message me. Okay, Sagittarius. Let's see, what's for you in general? Messages, kung ano ba lang meron. Oo. So, Sag, ngayong June, what's for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong mensahe? Gabay? Prediction? Kung ano man. Tingnan natin. Sag. Okay, the Hierophant in reversed. And the King of Pentacles. This is commitments. Commitments. Ngayong June. Okay? Tingnan natin. The Hierophant. The Devil in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong mako-compromise. Okay? Mako-compromise sa isang Capricorn or sa workplace. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung makokompromiso ba or talagang meron lang gagawin. Okay? Or sabihin nating an offer and this is unexpected. Pagdating sa workplace, yeah, the Two of Swords. There's decision na kailangang mangyari. Hindi ko alam kung decision or pagpili. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita. This is general kasi, so hindi ko gagawing specific. Okay? So, okay. Or in general, this is talking about your money. Huwag mong ilalagay yung sarili mo sa kung alam mong makukompromiso ka ngayong June pagdating sa pera. Okay? What else? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Excuse me. Nine of Swords in reversed. Two of Wands in reversed. So, naririnig ko talaga yung kompromiso, ha? Baka kasi iba sa inyo. Meron kang oohan, tapos ikaw mamaya yung mamumroblema. So, ngayong June. Okay? Let me see. Some of you have to reject something. Okay? Reject. There's this energy of rejection. Ngayong June, yeah, the Sun. Para rin sa'yo. Okay, para rin sa'yo. Kung alam mo yung sarili mo na parang kailangan mong hindian, Kahit sabihin nating magalit pa or magdamdam yung tao, hindian mo. Okay? Hindian mo. Kasi pwedeng ikaw nga yung parang magkaroon ng hindi magandang resulta if ever. Okay? Meron kasi magdaramdam dito eh. Akala niya open siya. Or, parang open ka. Parang ganyan. Ikaw lang yung parang sa tingin niya is makakatulong or whatsoever. Pero pag tinanggihan mo to, magagalit eh. Or magtatampo. Pero nakikita ko, kung tatanggihan mo, kahit magtampo man or what, sa ikabubuti naman. Okay? What else? Somebody will reach out. Somebody. Ayaw kanyang totally mawala. Or totally mag-close. Kung ano man yung story ninyong dalawa. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles. Some of you needs to watch your spending. You have to watch your spending this June. The Moon. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, there could be this unexpected pera. Oo. Na parating ngayong June. Sabihin nating hindi mo nga inaasahan, pwedeng wala kang paggagamitan, may darating lang na pera. Pero ang nakikita ko, sabihin nating yes, lulustayin mo agad. Hindi ko alam, pwede kasi, yeah, it depends, no, kung paano mo gagamitin yung pera. Pero yes, in general, may parating na unexpected income ngayong June sa'yo, Sag. Okay, there's unexpected income. Pera. So, it could be in a form of a surprise. Yeah, surprise. Anyway, so there. So, let's see the person on your mind this June. Ano bang meron? This June. For Sagittarius. This June. The person on your mind, who is this? Who is this? The Two of Swords. I'm sorry. Yeah, may ubo ako. So, Two of Swords, that's somebody who's so indecisive, trying to avoid you. Okay, may mga ganyang bagay ba? Ina-avoid ka niya, iniiwasan ka, no? So, kind of acting aloof. Yeah. Some of them, may chance na parang ginugulo ka or sabihin nating nabibigyan ka ng confusion ng taong to. Yeah, they're indecisive. Meron ako naririnig na parang ang galing niyang gumawa ng kung anumang dahilan para lang hindi mai-focus. Or sabihin natin, para lang maiwasan niyang ma-hot seat siya. Okay? That's specific, not for all. What's with this Two of Swords? The King of Chalices in reverse. Okay. Some of them, they're trying to avoid being open or vulnerable pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? Hindi sila open or hindi sila available emotionally. This person. Hindi sila emotionally available sa'yo. Okay? Could be an air sign or water sign, could be Pisces. Let's see. Anong meron sa situation? The Eight of Chalices. There's distance in general. Page of Wands in reverse. Oh. Some of you, this person is physically, sabihin natin, yeah, may pagkaklingi, no? May pagkaklingi itong taong to. That's specific, not for all, again. So, some of you, pagdating sa situation, there could be, sabihin natin, blockages or conflicts. Could be the distance nga, like the location or age. Meron ditong gustong mangyari pero hindi mangyari-yari. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Meron ditong clingy. Physical. Like, physical. In general, hindi mangyari or hindi makita, hindi maganap yung gusto because of the distance. What is their emotion for you? Let's see. Temperance Universe. Madalas inaaway ka nito, no? Madalas hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Madalas, pwedeng tinatalikuran mo na lang to para maiwasan rin ang gulo. Yeah, the Four of Chalices Universe. Para maiwasan ang hiwalayan if ever, or maiwasan yung mas malaki na issue. Could be. So, what is their next action? So, may chance nga iba sa inyo, pwedeng LDR, malayo, or distansya nandyan. Could be emotionally distant, some of you. What is their next action towards you, Sag? The Nine of Chalices in reverse. The Three of Swords in reverse. Some of you, they will give you material na bagay. Okay? I don't know why. Maybe this is like a peace offering. Peace offering. May pakikipag-ayos ako nakikita dito in general for some of you. Kung itong taong to is lumayo. Yeah. Yeah, the Nine of Wands Universe. Pwedeng magbaba ng guard to. Maging vulnerable. Pero I don't know kung sa emosyon. May pakikipag-ayos ako nakikita. Let's see. Ano ba ang advice for you, Sag? The Fool. Okay, and the Queen of Pentacles. Huwag mo nang balikan, okay, kung ano man yung ginawa mong, sabihin nating kapalpakan, kung meron, alam mo yon. Syempre, meron. Kung may ginawa kang kapalpakan sa past, huwag mo nang uulitin din ngayon. Okay? Magkaroon ng healthy boundaries. Kung ikaw itong lagi na lang sabihin nating ikaw yung umaako sa kung ano man, this time, wag na. Lalo na kung hindi naman dapat. Yeah. You're in a cycle. So, may chance, kailangan talagang sirain na yung cycle, yung routine na nandun ka. Or kung ano man sa situation ninyo. Okay? So, this is like starting, like, pakita mo yung version like 2.0, 3.0 mo. Yun ang advice for you, Sag. Sabihin natin, itong taong tong ilang beses rin naman na talagang high blood ka, no? Kahit anemic ka, high blood ka, gawa ng taong to. So, na-stress ka, alam niya ng taong to na sabihin nating malaki ang mawawala sa kanya pag nawala ka like totally. There's this peace offering na pwedeng gawin ng taong to, pakikipagayos. Advice is, baguhin mo na kung anong meron sa'yo. Huwag mong hahayaan na itong taong to is alam pa rin niya. Kilala pa rin niya yung babalikan niya. Napakadali kasing bumalik nitong taong to eh. Yeah, napakadali. Some of them, they're too selfish. They are too selfish. They're not, sabihin nating, hindi sila like nagsishare. Okay? Hindi lahat ng kung ano man sa sarili niya, kung anong meron, hindi niya lahat sinashare yon. Okay? There's lies. Secrets. So, Hindi pwedeng lagi na lang tayong oo at makikigo with the flow. So, iba sa inyo, ikaw itong lumayo. Ikaw itong tumalikod. Ikaw itong nag-no contact maybe. Dito sa taong to, na alam mong may tinatago sa'yo. So, mas maganda, kung babalik man, kasi may chance, or makikipag-ayos ngayong June, dapat alam niya na hindi na ikaw. Or I mean, sabihin natin, hindi na dapat niya alam, okay, kung anong meron na sa'yo pagbalik niya. Have a healthy boundaries. Okay, set up healthy boundaries, Sag. Let's see. All signs Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nilalamig yung aking likod. I don't know, like, parang may lamig na yung likod ko. Hindi ko alam, baka iba sa inyo, nilalamig yung likod, no? May lamig. So, air signs. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Sag. Okay, Aries. There's issue here. There's issue here when it comes to commitments. Taurus, they want you. They're happy with you. Gemini, there's this money issue with them. Oh, money issue. Cancer, you have to let them go. Some of you. Leo, they like you. Virgo, okay, so they're trapped, feeling trapped. They're overthinking. Libra, okay, so it's like energy ng miss opportunity with the Libra. Scorpio, they're attracted. You're getting their attention. Sagittarius, energy of new beginning, or could be changes like that. Capricorn, some of you, this could be the end of no contact. Aquarius, there's lies, there's confusion. Pwedeng meron pa ring hindi nagiging totoo. May nagtatago, sikreto. So, Pisces, may chance na pwedeng may ma-friend zone ng isang Pisces or ikaw. Okay? There's no energy of dito, reconciliation if you're expecting reconciliation with a Pisces. Okay? Kasi may chance na merong third party involved for some of them. So yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.